Tony in the Sugarland chocolate factory shows us the art of making the sweet treat.
It's going to be the coffee, mocha. This is made from scratch. This is made from coffee bean.
Meet Tony Najjar. His Xocolla chocolate factory might just be the smallest in America. It was his garage that has been renovated and FDA approved. Tony started making chocolate in 2015 and was selling in stores a year later.
We contribute our success really to quality and care in the chocolate. So all our dark chocolate are only 2 ingredients. So there is a lot of care in making the chocolate.
Tony and his team carefully make Xocolla chocolate all by hand. First, they hand sort the cocoa beans one by one. Next, the beans are roasted in small batches, 30 pounds at a time. The roasted beans are cracked. Winnowing is next, when the husks of the cocoa are separated from the nibs or beans. The beans are ground and aged for a few weeks to a few months, depending on the type of beans, in a climate-controlled room. After aging, the chocolate is melted and molded. When the chocolate is taken out of the molds, the bars are wrapped and packaged.
What distinguishes us from others is our dark chocolate, the purity of our dark chocolate. They are made only from 2 ingredients, cacao bean and cane sugar, nothing else. We have high quality beans. We would like to show them. We don't like to hide them by adding any additional flavor, so flavored by the bean. The milk chocolates are made from grass-fed milk, and this is also very rare, and the way you can tell is a non-GMO certification. It enforces grass feeding. We have pure white chocolate, we have the green tea, we have the strawberry, California grown strawberry, and Colombian coffee beans that we roast from scratch, in addition to our single origin milk chocolate. We like to honor regions that grows nuts. We have Hawaiian sea salt and Hawaiian macadamia. We have also San Saba, Texas pecans. We have Oregon hazelnut, in addition to some pistachios and Marañón nibs.
I am in chocolate heaven. That's all I can say.